Hey guys, it's Marco here, Fully Loaded Cars, and welcome back to our Lotus Sunbeam restoration series. As you can see, we've nearly got a complete shell behind us. It's been a while since we've updated you on this Lotus Sunbeam. Since then, we've been busy getting all the frame fixed, cutting all the rust out, then putting new sections in, all the supporting brackets, all the little panels that go inside that all strengthen up the shell. They've all been done. They've all been epoxied and they're all ready to weld back on. We won't weld everything back on until we finish front panel and the rear panel, so we can line everything up before we start spot welding everything back together. And that should be in the next video after this one. This video is just showing the process up to this stage here. So I hope you enjoy it, and if you do, leave us a thumbs up, leave us a comment if there's any questions you'd like to know. And yeah, just keep following us, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.
Get down in the car, one time give it all, bust it open hard, let me see you drop. Get down in the car, one time give it all, bust it open hard, let me see you drop.
So here we have the front panel. The original one was just too far gone to save. And all the supporting bracketry for it as well. This is the lower panel. That was also completely shut. We also made all the bracketry for it. Well, actually these we repaired sections. Some of it was fine, so we we saved what we can. So these will be epoxied now before we weld them onto the front of the car. Here's the front of the car. Here's the inner flitch. Oversized battery box. New chassis leg. Excuse the mess. I should have cleaned this up before I made the video, but hey ho. And all the red sections is what's left of the original car. The actual chassis on this car was really rotten. Like I said, it's been sitting around for years. The other panels, they're going to need some work, but they're not as bad as the chassis. Like the doors, the rear quarters, the inner flitches.
Doubters, to those who don't believe, this is the hour. You see, they will make ladders out of obstacles and stepping stones from roadblocks. Leap over the lines to say we won't cross. We'll trick canyons into nothing. They won't see us coming. Scale all of the walls they built to hold us. We may be invisible, but we'll be unmistakable. We may be invisible. They may be blind to me, just wait and see. Those filled with jealousy, the naysayers pay us for defeat. But we'll make ladders out of obstacles and stepping stones from roadblocks. Leap over the lines to say we won't cross. We'll trick canyons into nothing. They won't see us coming. Scale all of the walls they built to hold us. We may be invisible, but we'll be unmistakable. We may be invisible. They may be blind to me, just wait and see.
got the scuttle panel, the screen panel in place. It was very corroded and most of it has been replaced. This is new, this lower section is new. Basically all the inner section has been replaced. In the previous videos you saw us making that panel, front panel is completely new. That's with the lower panel. There you got your oversized battery box, and we've still got we've still got some lining up to do, so not everything's welded in. These panels, both sides were completely shot, so we've made 2 new ones. And we got the roof frame on now. And the B-post and the inner wings. And we're still level. Very common for these arches to go. So that's been completely replaced. Inner sections here. Usually these tend to rust where all the joints are. This piece needs to be replaced. It's starting to take shape, starting to look like a car. All these bracketries, we do remove them and primer them before welding them back on. Especially these ones, they tend to rot. Out, so this section would definitely have to be replaced, but bit too strong. Jamie, and then we can push the whole car over. Ishmael, there's no mold grip for the back.